What's that?
Following the water in the drapery room is how they came into this area and coming in from down here.
Can you imagine finding this, like coming up for your water?
I can't imagine. I can't imagine Bill and Harry at all. I know their families, I know, especially the Myers. I know that whole side of the family very well. There's just this children playing here.
Yeah.
And then finding this in 1954. I think Bill and Harry knew this room was here before all of that. And when they talk about them keeping it a secret, I think this is what they kept a secret. This room here, because the Millers tried to open it up as a cave in the 30s, but you just didn't have, like I said, the traveling, and they didn't have the money to develop it. But just this year is when they purchased. The Millers still own.
I need to have take the time though, okay?